This is the Inspirationalist here. Super excited. I have made it to my destination. I know I had shared that I was in Seattle for 24 hours, but I have made it to the lovely Atlanta, Georgia, ladies and gentlemen. Super excited where there will be an opportunity to do more recording, putting some things together for some programs that are underway. So super excited. But I wanted to speak to you today about isolation. This is very important because a lot of us oftentimes when things happen to us, especially, we think, well, you know what? I want to be in a place of being by myself. And, a lot of the times, believe it or not, those who love you will say, you know what? It's not good for you to be alone, and it's not good. It's, we want you to reach out to other people, really begin to rely on your network and your support system. But I was sitting here and I got like this amazing revelation about isolation. It really just depends on who you're in the presence of when you're isolated. You can be in the presence of the enemy, right? Which is, destructive thoughts, testing you, saying, listen, if God really loved you, then why don't you do this and see how much he loves you? Because if he doesn't save you, then he doesn't care. And this is the way that he even tempted Jesus himself. And then also by reminding you of your past, speaking doubt into you, as well as insecurity. You're not really, I don't think the Lord really wants you to know and be wise. So go ahead and do whatever by any means necessary, do whatever you need to do to become wise. Well, in addition to that, there's another, you can also be in the presence of the Spirit of Jesus, the Spirit of love, the Spirit of peace, and Spirit of joy. So even in being by yourself, what will happen is you will then have an opportunity to be more secure. You will become bold and take on new adventures, and it'll be a building up in that time. How do you know? Well, because when I looked at the present, those who were called to do great things in the Bible, they would go in the presence of God by themselves first, and then the Lord would build them up. Like Moses, for instance, he was in a cave, and, he was in the presence of the Lord. And right before he was about to take on a task he had never taken on before, obviously, which is leading a large group of people, it was very important for him to be in the presence of the Lord and by himself. And God spoke confidence into him, letting him know that whatever you lack, I'm the great one. I can be everything that you need on your journey. So I just wanted to tell you that isolation has its pros and its cons. It just matters. It depends on whose presence you're in. For more inspiration, as well as to receive weekly inspirational emails, I would love to invite you to go to aquilamaddox.com and enter your email address. I also look forward to being able to inspire you by future videos. So stay tuned. I hope you have a fabulous Tuesday.